Today, I'm going to show you how to cook the most mouth-watering steak seasoned with our very own homemade herb butter. Let's get started and make this culinary delight together. First things first, let's preheat our oven to a cozy 120 degrees Celsius, or that's 248 degrees Fahrenheit. This gentle heat is going to cook our steak to perfection. Now let's dive into making our game-changing herb butter. Grab a block of butter and dice it into small squares. Next up, we're going to finely chop some fresh parsley. The aroma is just divine. Then thinly slice some chives, the thinner the better. And of course, we can't forget our garlic. Mince it up good and fine. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon for that zesty kick. Now let's get seasoning with a sprinkle of white pepper and salt. Give it a good stir until it's nicely mixed. This may take a little while, but it's worth it in the end. Take the butter mixture and roll it up in baking paper, twisting the ends to close it up like candy. Pop your butter roll into the fridge to set. This roll of flavor is going to elevate our steak to that next level. Alright, steak time. Take your steak and show it some love with a generous sprinkle of salt and pepper. Pat it nicely. We want every inch of this steak seasoned to perfection. Insert a thermometer probe into the steak. This little gadget is our secret weapon to get the perfect cook. I love my steak medium rare, so we're aiming for 57 degrees Celsius or 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Once our steak has reached perfection, let it rest. We want all those juices to redistribute, making every bite succulent. Remove the thermometer probe and give your steak a quick pat dry. Now for the grand finale, the sear. Preheat your pan until it's screaming hot and sear that steak along with the fat side. Trust me, this is where the magic happens. Place up your masterpiece and top it with a slice of that glorious herb butter we made earlier. Watch it melt and drool a little. And there you have it, folks. Steak perfection on a plate. Dive in and enjoy every single bite. And hey, if you love joining me in the kitchen today and can't wait to dive into more cooking adventures, make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's a whole lot more of deliciousness where this came from and you won't want to miss out. Thanks for cooking with me today, and remember, keep it fun, keep it exciting, and keep it delicious. See you in the next one. Bye for now.